Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be transforming my hair into the gorgeous style you saw in the intro, and I'm going to be using some of the most affordable clip-ins I have ever seen, so you definitely want to keep on watching. So to get started, I'm just going to make a part from ear to ear at the front of my hair, as you can see, and this is what the part looks like after I have cleaned it up off camera. So now to get started with the style, I'm going to be making one section on the side of my head like this, and I actually wanted this section to be the one for the beads, but I couldn't figure out a way to braid my hair coming forward, you guys. Like, there's honestly some things I can't do. Okay, because I feel like some of you feel like I can do everything, but I can't. So instead of doing a braid, I just decided to do a flat twist because that was so much easier for me to do. But flat twists do get rough easily, so if you want this style to last you a longer time, I'll definitely suggest doing a braid or like a cornrow instead. So anyway, I'm just going to be doing this section. As you can see, that's what I'll be attaching the beads to in the end. And now I'm just going to be making another section going backwards, and I'm going to go ahead and flat twist this section as well.
No, this is artificial. This ain't love, no, this ain't love, no, this is artificial.
Okay, so I'm going to be adding another flat twist here as well. So the idea is to have 3 flat twists on each side of my head, and then my hair will be like slicked down in the middle. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm just flat twisting this second section of my hair. Ignore my funny faces, you guys. Like, I try to have fun when I'm filming. So now that I'm done with this side, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. So I've really been trying not to speed my videos up too much and leaving a lot of things in real time, just so you guys can really follow the process of me doing my hair. And I really hope that this is more helpful for you guys, and I hope that the tutorials are a lot more easy to follow. If they are, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up while you're watching. Now I'm going to go ahead, start sleeking the middle section of my hair, and I'm using some shine and jam. That's all I've been using on my hair so far, and I like to stick my hair in sections. If you've been watching me long enough, you already know this, and the reason I like to do this is because it just helps me get a flatter and a sleeker finish. So now that I'm at the front of my hair, I'm just going to make sure that I rub in all of the shine and jam, and then I'm going to brush it into my hair as well. And here I'm just smoothing my hair together just to make sure everything is really sleek, you know. And then I'm going to be adding 2 of those flat twists from the side. I'm going to be adding them into that like bun that's going to go on the top, you know. So this is like what I'm doing right here. I'm just showing you guys. So I'm going to take my hairband and I'm just going to put that into like a little ponytail at the top of my head. So now I'm just going to be twisting my hair so that when I put it into a bun, it's going to be a lot smaller and it's to be easier to put the clip-ins like around it. So off camera, I went and made this little section like at the back that's going to cover the clip-ins. As you guys can see, that's the section I flat twisted away from the back, and then I also went ahead and did like 5 big flat twists at the back of my head. So if you don't know how to braid, you can definitely do flat twists, or you can even just put your hair in a low bun and clip the clip-ins in. You don't have to braid at all. So now I'm just going to be taking some wrap strips, and I'm going to use that to lay the front of my hair down so that it's really flat. And now for my clip-ins, you guys, my clip-ins are from Curls, and you guys, I absolutely love these clip-ins. Can you just look at the curl pattern? They are super affordable. They begin at $89. Like, have you ever seen any clip-ins that are under $100? I definitely haven't. They also come with some extra clips, as well as this little brochure that shows you how to install, and stylers and like products you can use on the hair. And I had one of the stylers they suggested, so that was what I used to define my hair. You never want to wear clip-ins just just the way they are straight out of the pack. You definitely want to spray some water, run your fingers through, brush it up, and just define the curls a lot better. It will make your clip-ins look so much more realistic, you guys. And I also want to say that these clip-ins don't have that weird brown color that a lot of clip-ins have, so they really matched with my hair. Like, I'm absolutely in love. So this is the next day, and I'm just going to be taking down those wrap strips. My hair is kind of set, and what I went and did off camera is that I defined that section of hair that I left out, and I just stretched it towards the back, and I tucked them under the wrap strips just to keep them a little stretched. I learned this from Miss Naturally Mary, and as you guys can see, like, my hair is quite stretched and quite defined, and it's going to match beautifully with the clip-ins. So now to get installing, these are the clip-ins the next day. They're also dry from my styling. The clip-ins come with 10 clip-ins, and the one pack is enough for your full head. Like, you guys, you don't need to buy more than one pack. The 10 clip-ins are going to be enough for your full head. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clip them into my hair. There's no like set way to do this. You just want to feel and like see which clip-in is long enough to cover a particular section of your hair. So that's all I'm doing.
Wanna feel that real love from within. Let me in. I want real love, real highs. You're just enough to get me through, get me through. 'Cause you're officially perfect for me. So wait for you, wait for you.
Up all night thinking, passing the time.
This is the last clip-in I'm going to be attaching on the top of my head, and then after this I'm just going to take off my hair clips and let my hair down. And I want you guys to watch this closely. Can you see the blend between my hair and the clip-ins? And remember what I mentioned about the color. Like, every time I get clip-ins, I'm always so upset because the color is usually a lot browner and my hair is like a true 1B color. But like, these clip-ins blend so well. Like, honestly, you could have had me fooled, even though it's my hair and it's on my head. But girl, let me tell you something. If you buy with your money, it's your hair. So if you decide to get these clip-ins, wear it, and nobody needs to know that's not your hair because it's yours, okay? So for the bun, I'm going to be using some of the 2-clip clip-ins. I believe I used 2 pieces of that, and I'm just going to be clipping it around the bun. As you guys can see, you can clip it to your hair, you can just clip it around the bun. And when I'm done, I'm pretty much just going to take this hair and I'm going to like twist it around and make it into like a bigger bun. You can also decide to do this like a half up, half down style. You don't necessarily have to twist it into a bun. I feel like that would have been really cute as well, but like, my plan was to make a bun, so I just had to stick to the plan. So I had these 2 pieces left and I wasn't sure what to do with them, so I just decided to add them at the front here, and I'm actually clipping them in backwards so that if the wind blows, like as you can see, you don't get to like see the clips or anything. And I just want to mention that you can actually do that same method for the top of the hair. You don't necessarily have to leave your hair out to cover the clip-ins. Like, clip-ins are so versatile, you guys. Like, if you don't own some, you definitely need to go cop these ones. So I'm just going to be accessorizing my hair. You guys already know by now how much I love accessories. I feel like they just take the look to another level, as you can see. I'm adding some of this gold string to the bun as well. And later on, you're going to see me go ahead and change the little gold things on the side to the beads, because at first I thought I wanted to put these gold things, but then later on I was like, you know what, I feel like these beads will look better. So I'm just going to be using a bobby pin. I'm showing you guys because I'm not sure if everybody knows how to like attach beads to your hair, but I'm using a bobby pin, and I'm just going to put that through my hair and then pass it through the bead, and boom. As you can see, that's like one easy way to pass beads through your hair. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to leave all of the links and all of the details you need to know about this hair in the description box below. I definitely recommend it. Like, honestly, you guys, I'm loving these clip-ins. I can't wait to use them for many more styles. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.